Welcome to Gewinns HR. Today I am going to show you how to apply leave on Gewinns HR platform. Firstly, click on Leave option. You can see your leave balance on front page. Now click on the Apply Leave button. Fill up the mandatory fields like leave type, from, date, and to, date, and reason. After filling all the details, click on the Save button. Your leave application will be saved for approval. You can check your application status under Leave Request Status option. You can also see your holiday list under Holiday List option. That's all for now. Thank you for watching.